Hi friends, this video is about a Tyre Inflator, TUSA brand, model TUSA11, purchased through Amazon. The Amazon link shared in the description. Let us unbox the product. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Product received in good condition. Final product packed in a case. The black case is good, looking good. It comes with a 1-year warranty. So the chip looks good and it functions smooth. Here we have the TUSA VIP Club invitation and warranty registration details. The product user manual. Product wrapped in a smooth poly cover. So there is a desiccant to absorb the moisture during the product transportation. The case is good. So let us open the final product. This is the inflator with the 4 buttons at the top and a digital display. The hose is 2.5 feet length and flexible. There is an additional fuse and 3 more accessories. So the back side we can find the cable with the cigarette lighter adapter. The cable is about 10 feet length. So 2.5 feet hose, 10 feet total 12.5 feet length. So we can reach all types of cars. There is a notch hole provided to the back cover to protect the card. Inflator having a 4 buttons at top and 1 button at side. Connect to car cigarette lighter. Switch on the car always while using this product. Initial reading was 0. So we have equipped with, it was equipped with the 3 bright LED modes. One is a quick inflation time, repair at night, warning red flashlights mode is also available. SOS mode is available. You connect the hose firmly to the tire. Range set to 36 psi. So I am starting the button. It inflates very fast. Each tire can take maximum 3 to 4 minutes from 0 to 35 psi. So it inflates very fast. It has an auto cutoff feature. Once it is reached to the desired pressure setting, device will switch off automatically. There is no much noise from this device. Everyone can buy this product for their usage. Car, bicycle can be used. We have a set of pressure display readings in PSI, or you can check it to the bar. You can change it to KPI. Required tire pressure can be seen on the tire. The settings on the tire of any product. Contains the measuring readings, PSI, bar API, another KR by centimeter square. Product is fantastic. We can use it for all type of cars for tire inflation. Useful for everyone. So I have tested for all my car, bike and bicycle. So it is a great product. Please share, like, subscribe if you like the video.